Samsung is introducing its new smartphone, a whole new Galaxy S25 Edge variant. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Galaxy S25 Edge is going to be a thinnest handset and there will be a number of features that will make it more advanced. The smartphone features OLED touchscreen display with a large 6.7 inches display screen size and the 80 resolution of 1440 by 3120 pixels that will support the silky smooth refresh rate of 120 Hz. Smartphone coming with one of the most powerful chipset, which is Snapdragon 888 3nm chipset, and it is combined with a 4.32 GHz octa-core CPU and GPU of 18830. Smartphone is packed with a setup of dual cameras. The main one will be 20 megapixel wide lens and other will be 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor, and front camera will be 12 megapixel. Talk about the RAM and storage. There will be 12 GB of RAM and 256 and 512 GB of storage. Smartphone will be under display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Phone is packed with a 3900 mAh battery with support of 25 watt fast charging. Smartphone will run on Android 15 operating system. Price will be about $1,389 US. That's all for now and thanks for watching.